A video games giant is seeing backlash from U.S. lawmakers, including Oregon's Senator Ron Wyden. U.S.-based gaming company Activision Blizzard banned players who have voiced support of Hong Kong protesters during official online tournaments. Activision Blizzard is partly owned by Chinese gaming giant Tencent. It all started when a Hong Kong competitive player of the game Hearthstone was banned for voicing support of pro-democratic protesters in a post-game interview. "Liberate Hong Kong, revolution of our age," he said. Wyden slammed the decision, along with Republican Senator Marco Rubio and others, in a bipartisan letter to the company. Earlier this month, the Democrat Wyden tweeted, "Blizzard shows it is willing to humiliate itself to please the Chinese Communist Party. No American company should censor calls for freedom to make a quick buck." Since the first player was banned, 3 U.S. players were banned for holding up a sign during a match that read "Free Hong Kong," calling for a boycott of the company. Danny Peterson, Coin 6 News.